Hi guys, hope you're doing well. This is your boy Munib Khan and I'm back with yet another video. Now in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can use the Instagram remix feature without adding anything before or after the original video. Now this is very useful because remix videos are getting more viral, and also because it's very useful for Instagram 3 pages, so you don't have to download the video, re-upload it or anything like that. You can just remix or them to on your page. So I'm gonna show you guys, but before that please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let's start. So I want you to open Instagram app right here, and this is my travel theme page that I just started. Go to the okay, you simply need to go to the reels, and then you can see these are the two reels. I'm gonna mute the sound. I'm just gonna click on this three dots and click on remix. Now there are two kind of remix. You can remix with the original video and after the video. So in the original video one, after the original video we're not gonna use that because Instagram now said that you have to add 3 seconds of your video before you can upload the video, you can upload the remix. So what we are going to use is remix with original video, the first one on this list, and then I'm gonna show you. Just click on that, and then I just want you to click on this here and click on this fourth one, camera, and the video is going to take some time to load, but when it's got loaded, what you have to do is, all you have to do is cover your back camera or front camera, whichever the camera you have enabled, like with your hand, and now just click on record. Now you just click on the record button right here. This video has sound, I just muted it for the copyright purposes. Just click on the record button and let the whole clip just play for once, and keep your hand on the camera. Now click on preview. It's going to take some time to process the clip, and then it's going to go to next. Now once you click on next, then there you can write captions and everything and upload your reel just like that. It's very easy once you do it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.